Hi everyone, my name is Sayed. In this video, I saw a comment on Quora. So what is ChatGPT and how do I learn it? So let's get started, and this question I'm going to answer, and let's get to the system. Okay, so I'm gonna jump into the ChatGPT and we will start from there. So that is the website chat.openai.com. So that is the link for the ChatGPT, and you go there, you make an account, register, and after that you will be on this screen. So it is showing you ChatGPT 3.5, our fastest model, get more out. So they have ChatGPT 4, but you have to get subscription for that. But ChatGPT 3.5 is basically free. And what is ChatGPT? It is let's ask what is ChatGPT from the ChatGPT. Okay, so what is ChatGPT? So before I explain, let me have the system explain for itself. So the system is saying ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI based on generative pre-trained transformer. So basically this is a system that is already have a lot of data available in the system, and it will answer that your any questions you have from the data. And let's ask how much data does ChatGPT have. So how much data ChatGPT have? Because I'm just not gonna. So it's saying that about 45 terabytes of text data. So it have all different kind of sources, books, columns, different websites. So the data is already in the system from different sources, and that is the basis of the answers that you get from there. As we saw, that is the generative is a pre-train and a transformer. You can ask pretty much any question and it will answer your questions. For example, let me so how to use Chat GPT. So let's ask the Chat GPT how to use it. So it give answer. So you can use it on the web base. You can also use API, which is if you have different platform you can use if you know how to develop and how to use APIs. So basically you have to use a prompt. The prompt is more important for using Chat GPT. Now what is prompt? Like what I'm asking questions up here. So let's ask Chat GPT to give an example. How to use prompts, okay, in Chat GPT. Okay, so here we are. So it's saying is start with the context, be clear and specific, ask open-ended questions, break down complex requests. So for example, in the system you can ask okay, so here's the example. Can you tell me about benefit of regular exercise? It will give you an answer for that. So this is the answer for. So now the system give you answer, right? The answer we have already up here. What we can do is, for example, I will go there and then I can copy this. I can say yes, I like it, or I can click on this button, regenerate. It will regenerate the answer for me, that what I have, and it will give more different answer based that I don't like the answer that it gave me already. So it's asking me it's giving me the answer. So that is the answer that we have up here from the ChatGPT. So now we have these answers from ChatGPT is giving that you have to have some kind of prompt that you can give. The prompt could be that you can say be an expert of poetry and write kids poetry on stars. So I'm just giving this prompt, be an expert of a poetry and write a kid's poetry on stars. Only 4 lines. You could be specific that you can make it how big or small you want it. So now based on my prompt, this give me the poetry. Under the night, velvet cape of high, star twinkle and dance in the sky. So this is a poetry is giving based on that what I have given the prompt. And I can say, for example, write a letter to school for kids day off. So let's see what does it do. So it is writing a letter for school to give a kid take a time off from the school for a kid, and it given the letter that, as you can see, you can basically copy paste this and change it. Let's say if I don't like this up here, I can say make it shorter. So it will make it a shorter. So this is a shorter version of the letter that I just asked. And then let's say if I don't like it, I can click on regenerate. It will keep regenerating this letter for me with the different text. And I can say, for example, go back to the first one. I can see the first one. If I click on write, I can see on the right hand side, the newer one. So pretty much you can ask almost like any question. Sometimes it might give some errors based on that some date and limitation it gives, but for most likely it is accurate, and it's give perfect answers. If you don't like the answer, you can regenerate, or you can ask differently and could be very specific, so that ChatGPT will give your answer. I hope this works and it helps you. Thank you very much. Like, subscribe. Thank you very much.